Hi, I'm Filiz Mert, the Digital Analytics Manager of Brisa company. I'm responsible for implementing the company's digital transformation strategy and creating data-driven decision-making systems. Brisa's foundations were laid with Lassa, which was founded in 1974 on the initiative of Sabancı Holding and its partners. In parallel with the developments in the tire industry globally, Brisa adopted its current name as a result of partnership between Sabancı Group and Bridgestone Corporation, the world's largest tire manufacturer. Today, it's the leading player in the Turkish tire market. Brisa's Kocaeli production facilities are one of the largest single-building tire factories in the world. The Aksaray factory, on the other hand, is the industry's first factory equipped with smart applications. Lassa branded products produced in these factories are found in vehicles all over the world, with 80 distributors in more than 80 countries and 610 stores with signage. Brisa, Bridgestone, Lassa, Dayton, Kinesis, Firestone tire brands, Bandak coating brand, Lastim, Autopratik and ProPropratik service points with their main brands, Lasticom TR internet sales site, MobileFix mobile maintenance service that provides on-site maintenance to commercial vehicle fleets, ProFleet service package, ProBucks mobile sales and service point, and tire hotel tire storage services all contribute to the Turkish economy and its development. In the area of sustainable mobility, the company partners with Arventa Mobile Systems to add value to its fleet customers by bringing together tire, service, and telematic business lines. Our digital transformation journey started with a vision announced by Sabancı Holding in 2018. A comprehensive survey was conducted with middle group managers of all group companies, aiming to understand how prepared the companies were for this journey in terms of infrastructure, human resources, and databases. We learned our position among the group companies by getting certain scores with a question set similar to the one offered by DMI. And as a result, we prepared our digital transformation roadmap. Since 2018, we have implemented several works under our roadmap and we continue to do so. However, while making these changes during our digital journey, a need arose to measure our steps by framing them. Because the journey ahead is long and the definition of digitalization in 2018 was very different from what it's today, the company's maturity levels also evolved. When we search for companies that deliver the services required both on a global scale and in Turkey, we note that there are not many companies in this field that operate with the assistance of a tool, and the tools commonly available are not suitable for the sector. Afterward, we met with Digitopia and we started our partnership by choosing the solution developed by Digitopia in terms of both industry-specific suitability and the opportunity to tailor the services to our company. We will continue to renew DMI to keep seeing where our strengths lie and also the muscles we need to strengthen and what we have achieved in the last 3 years in our digital transformation journey. Today, when it comes to digital transformation, the technology dimension is what springs to mind. But it also offers the customer dimension, operations, management, and innovation. Thanks to DMI, without neglecting these areas in our digital transformation journey, we have seen where we are positioned and how we can further our progress towards our goals with a more comprehensive evaluation. One of the benefits of the methodology was collaboration. DMI has given us an advantage in terms of meeting different departments on common ground and progressing in line with one another. We can say that DMI measurement is a self-assessment that represents the whole company and is adopted by the whole company, creating a collective awareness. In addition to these benefits, Digitopia's service offers us a framework Even though it's actually a self-assessment, it provides us with collaboration support from outside and impartial perspective developed and customized specifically for our company. These are the greatest benefits of DMI for us. DMI offers a structure that is both sufficiently customized and flexible and comprehensive enough to make global comparisons. If you navigate the wave correctly, it will accelerate you forward. We consider the digital transformation as the wind that is driving this sailboat forward. And the digital maturity assessment is a lighthouse that guides us through these heavy seas. We needed a beacon that would guide us and ensure our journey remains safe. A stable and constant guide amid the changing world, customer behavior, and competitor dynamics. Thanks to this measurement, we can better see the opportunities and risks, set the right priorities, and prevent erroneous investments. I recommend other companies know their DMI scores. Digital transformation is a journey that takes place with the participation of all employees and requires continuous improvement. That's why it's important to start by knowing your current score. In this way, it's possible to understand where they are and to see which areas they should focus on. Thanks to the participation of all employees, it's possible to align at the digital maturity level, determine the promised actions together, and see the pace of development in the following years.